All right, so day 2 of working on this thing, and I realized, and I dropped my GoPro yesterday, I scratched my lens, so that's fun. Goal for the day is to clean this up and assemble the front suspension subframe. I gotta start by taking off these other sleeves because it comes with control arms. It's getting easier. So we like to feel. Yay, nice. Yeah, science. Jesus, all that for that fucking... All right, so I got the entire power steering rack taken apart. This was kind of a pain in the ass. Had to use a bolt and like screw it into this. I have brake cleaner on it right now, so I'm gonna let it dry, replace some of these seals and gaskets, and put it back together. I do have to order those. So I think for now, I'm gonna put this on pause so those parts come in. Yeah, so I think I'm just gonna wrap this one up. It's getting really hot out. And then upload this. Guess this is more of just me documenting building this thing up. But if you do kind of like this or want to see more, just let me know and I'll keep going. I'm gonna keep going anyways, because in the future I can look back when I'm like 100 years old and be like, back in my day, we hand built our cars. Like I went from like old timey to Bane. All right, I'm gonna wrap it up. It's hot. I'm out. Okay, bye.